Hello friends, welcome. Today I am going to start IGNOU series. So first of all, I will discuss syllabus of economics in IGNOU, which is known as MEC. So first semester syllabus will be discussed today. Then I will proceed further syllabus. So IGNOU MEC first semester subjects. Core courses which are compulsory include MEC 101, which includes microeconomic analysis with 6 credits, which includes consumer behavior, utility, and indifference curve. Second is producer theory, cost, and production. Third, in MEC 101 is market structure, which includes perfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly. Now comes MEC 2, that is macroeconomic analysis. It has also 6 credits. It includes national income and accounting, classical and Keynesian models, inflation, unemployment, monetary and fiscal policy. Then comes MEC 203, which includes quantitative methods. It has 8 credits. Mathematics for economics, in which there are algebra and calculus, optimization techniques, basic statistics, economic applications of math. So total credits in semester 1 is 20. All subjects in first semester are compulsory. Focus is on foundation building in micro and macro theory, mathematical tools for economics. These papers are very important for UGC NET and research preparation. So for the simple understanding of semester 1, we will discuss theory, micro and macro, and mathematical tools, that is quantitative. Now we will discuss unit-wise syllabus. So first semester, based on latest IGNOU e-Gyan course structure, unit-wise discussion includes microeconomic analysis, in which block 1 is consumer behavior, unit 1 basic concepts of consumer theory, unit 2 includes demand theory, unit 3 recent developments in demand theory. Block 2 is producer behavior, in which unit 4 is production theory, unit 5 cost theory, unit 6 production economics. So 6 credits unit wise are given. Now block 3, price and output determination, unit 7 perfect competition, unit 8 monopoly, unit 9 monopolistic competition, unit 10 oligopoly. Block 4 general equilibrium, 11 includes pure exchange model, unit 12 general equilibrium with production, and block 5 includes welfare economics. Welfare economics has unit 13, which is Pigou versus Pareto, unit 14 social welfare function, unit 15 externalities and public goods, unit 16 social choice theory. Block 6 is economics of uncertainty, in which units are unit 17 decision under uncertainty. So your focus should be on micro theory and market analysis. Macroeconomic analysis. Block 1 includes national income, concepts and measurement of national income. Block 2 is classical and Keynesian models, classical theory of employment, Keynesian model of income determination. Block 3 is consumption and investment, includes consumption function, investment theory. Block 4, money and inflation, which includes demand for money, inflation theories, monetary policy. Block 5 includes business cycles, traditional theories, real business cycle theory. Block 6 includes unemployment, classical and Keynesian views. New Keynesian theory is also here. And block 7 is open economy, exchange rate system, open economy, macro models. Here focus is on macroeconomic models plus policy analysis. MEC 203 is quantitative methods, most important for exams. Block 1 is basic mathematics. Unit 1 includes fundamental concepts. Unit 2 mathematical methods. Unit 3 is relation and functions. Unit 4 coordinate geometry. Block 2, linear algebra, matrices, vectors, linear equations. Block 3, calculus, limits, and continuity. Differential calculus, single and multivariable. Block 4 is real analysis, metric space. Advanced calculus concepts. Block 5 is optimization techniques, maxima and minima, constraint and unconstrained optimization. So total units are 30 plus units. So it is the lengthy paper. So quick strategy will be for IGNOU TE, which is coming, will be include diagram plus theory, MEC 102, models plus numericals. So 3, practice is must. So if you want next level help, I will be there. I will give you question answers for MEC 101 unit wise. Okay, till then, bye.